Oh yeah, that's the stuff. Hi everybody, Bill the Flavor Guy here, and we're up at the ranch up in Kennedy Meadows, California, and we're doing a little expansion work here. We're always working up here, but it's work, but it's not. Absolutely love being up here. Guys are outside working hard, and so I'm gonna make them a special treat. I have my own little unique formula for making French toast. Join me as we make some awesome French toast. But before we do that, I have to do my morning routine of taking my Naturelax, get some fiber and push dinner through from last night. This is a great way to start your day. Just pull out a packet, easy tear strip. And I do the sugar-free version of this. This is sweetened with our Sweeten FX, a blend of erythritol and debitterized stevia. Tastes just like sugar. Amazing stuff. Pour your water in. Natural colors. And it dissolves to a consistency like a drinkable yogurt. It's not going to get too thick. Cheers. Now let's get into it. So first thing we're going to do is I'm going to crack my eggs, drop them inside here. That's a cold one. Get out. One of the things that I love about making French toast is I put a lot of vanilla extract. At Nature's Flavors, we make our own vanilla extract, and we make a bunch of different kinds. Some of them are aged. This one, my private reserve, this is about 10 to 15 years old. And some people will say you can't age vanilla. That's not true. Vanilla ages just like a fine wine. It gets better. It's more chocolatey, creamy, somewhat licorice-like. Amazing, amazing flavor. Would you be interested if I offered a limited edition of 10 to 15-year-old vanilla extract? Let me know. That's in that comments part. The other thing I like to do is just a hint of Himalayan sea salt. Just a little couple of turns, and that's enough. I like a lot of cinnamon in my French toast. It's probably good. I don't want to overwhelm the guys. Ginger, you can go a little bit heavier on. That's probably good. And then of course the last thing I get, I usually like to do whipping cream or half and half. Today we're going to do the half and half. I do have whipping cream, but I thought it would be just kind of cool to do the half and half since this will be one of our last days up here until next week. And then we blend it. And you can see it's pretty whipped up now. So I like to whip the egg whites up a little bit, and it kind of helps the coating. To me, it just tastes better that way. It's got a nice, creamy texture to it, and you want to get every drop. Now, if you blend this and then you let it sit too long, all your spices are going to be down at the bottom. So you want to get this into this bowl as quick as you can. All right, let's go have some fun. We're going to tease everybody outside with the smells. I like to soak these a little bit, let them absorb that batter, push them down a little bit. They're like a sponge. And I'm gonna close this up. All right, let's check these bad boys. Yeah, that's the way I like to cook them. And I'm gonna bet the bear can smell this too, so we might have a visitor tonight because we're teasing him just as much as we're teasing the guys. The smell of that batter, now that it's cooked and it's caramelized, absolutely amazing. I'll just take a couple of these and put them on my plate. Of course, you can see there's lots of butter on there. Pour my maple syrup over it. You can use some of Nature's Flavors syrups as well. If you like strawberry, boysenberry, you name it. That also tastes amazing too, but let's give it a taste. Oh yeah, that's the stuff. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Probably another way of making a French toast batter. It's probably a million different ways for a million different people. But give this one a try. I think you'll enjoy it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And this is the Flavor Guy saying, we'll see you later. Oh wait, here, try a bite. It's a big bite. Oh yeah. That's the stuff.